Hello friends, today we are making a cocktail that feels like a breath of fresh air in this scorching summer heat. This easy to make drink will cool you down and leave you feeling totally refreshed, like summer just disappeared for a moment. We're going to make here Strawberry Litchi Cocktail, a perfect blend of fruity cooling ingredients. Let's get started. First, I'm using a homemade strawberry compote made with just strawberries and sugar. It's got sweetness, a little tang and the bright freshness of strawberries. I'm going to add here 2 teaspoons of this compote to the glass. Next, to beat the heat, I'm adding 20 ml or 2 teaspoons of sabja seeds. I've soaked them in water for an hour. These give the drink a smooth cooling feel as you sip the cocktail. Now comes the ultimate summer coolant, katira. It enhances the texture and cools the body like nothing else. I'm adding here 2 tablespoons of katira. Next, I am pouring in 50 ml of lychee juice very gently so that the layers in the glass stay undisturbed. See how I am pouring? This is giving such a beautiful look to the drink. Now take a look. You can already see 3 beautiful layers: strawberry compote, then sabja seeds and katira topped with the lychee juice. Now it's time for the hero of our cocktail, vodka. I am adding here 60 ml of rose vodka, which pairs beautifully with all the ingredients that we have used for this cocktail. Finally, I'm topping it up with soda. Add as much or as little you want. That's your taste. And that's it. Our refreshing strawberry litchi cocktail is ready to serve. And staying cool this summer just got easy. Cheers.